Hello to everybody. I am here with the second video of the chapter revision of class 5 maths. Today I will speak in Hindi also because I am thinking that many students are not comfortable with only English. I will speak in Hindi English both. So you have to take care and you have to understand the things whatever I am going to make you understand. Okay, let us start. Write the number names. Yesterday we were doing questions. Further that I am going to make you understand some questions. You can see the first one, we have to write the number names. We should check the commas. You can see 1 2 3 digit comma, 1 2 digit comma. Whenever you see such type of commas, it means that it is in Indian system. It is in Indian system. So listen me carefully. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So in thousand periods there are two digits only. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. This is 1 lakh. You can see I am going to write. You can write in short like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. You can see. So this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 1,000 means 1,000 and 1. It's so easy. Again I will suggest you that you should see the question, you should solve yourself, then you should match the answer in the video. Okay, look here now. Similarly here you can see ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. All these three numbers comes in the ones period. ये सारे तीनों ones period में आते हैं. This is thousand, this is 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh. 49 lakh. 49 lakh 6,000. This is 90. Okay, you can see very easily. Here one important thing you have to keep in. यहाँ तुम लोग को एक चीज दिमाग में रखना बेटा कि लैख के साथ 49 है, लैख के साथ क्या है 49 है, तो 49 लैख हो गया. थाउजेंड पीरियड में क्या है 6 है, 06 में 6 ओनली, तो 49 लाख 6,000 और 90 हो गया. ठीक है, यहाँ आते हैं वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड. देखो यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट बाद कॉमा, फिर 2 डिजिट बाद कॉमा लगा. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज इन इंडियन सिस्टम. वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Similarly you can say in lakh 14 is there, so you can write 14 lakh, 14 lakh 140. 1 because with thousand nothing is there. We can see 140. 140. Okay, now similarly you can see here ones, tens, hundred. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, this is thousand, this is 10,000, this is 100,000. Why have I written 100,000? Why? Because 3 digits are there, that are in comma. When you see 3 digits, it means that it is in international system. After 100,000, what comes? Million. So 9 million. 9 million. 536,000. Why will we write 530? In the whole thousands period, we have to see how many digits are there. 536,000. 536,000. 36,000 and 87. 87. We can see it very easily. Now here see ones, tens, hundred. Again it is in international system. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. We should write in small. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 8 million is there. 8 million is there. With 1,080 is there. 80,000. 80,000 and 80. 80 is there. Okay, so I think so that this question is very much clear to all of you. Let us see the next question in your book. Up to question number 3 we have solved. We can see question number 4. Look, I am going to show you the book. Question number 4 is saying express the following in figures. Now opposite of that one we have to do, which we have done just now. Means we have done writing the number name in words. Now we are going to write the numbers in figures, means in digits we have to write. Express the following numbers in figures, placing the commas at the right places. Placing the importance of commas is very much. Means commas decides whether the numbers are given in the Indian system or international system. That's why be very alert with that. Be very alert with that. Okay, let us see. I am going to show you questions. Everybody see properly. We have to write. Our question is that we have to write in figures. We have to write in figures. Very carefully see. Question number 4 of your book. Very carefully you see. Express number in figures. Express in figures. We have to write. Look, our first question is 20,022. 20,022. Look here, 20,022. Look how to do. In thousand you can see 20 is there. Means 2 digits are there. So you write like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. With 1,000 2 digits are there. I have written 2 digits. This is 20. 22 with 100 nothing is there. 0. 2. This is 20,022. Now similarly, one more number, 5,05,505. Let us see one more number, that is 5,05,505. 5,505. 5,505. 505. 5 lakh. Whenever you see lakh, it means that it is in Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. With lakh 5 is there. 5 lakh we have written. 5,000 with 1,000 nothing is there. With 1,005 is there. So 05 we will write. 01, 02, 2 digits we have to write. And it is saying 505. 505. Let us see one more. It's easy. You can put the comma according to Indian system. One more number. Let us see. 4,40,040. 4,40,040. Look here how to do. 4,40,040. The ones, tens, 100. Lakh is there. That's an Indian system. 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 4 lakh is there. 40,000. You can see very easily with 1,040 is there. And 40. You put the comma. Okay. So here we will stop. In the next video we will do many questions. Okay. Bye everybody.